Click the link. Read the description. Click I want this or add to cart. Scroll down. Click card. Enter name on the card. Enter card information, starting with the card number. Moving next to the expiry date on the card. Moving on to the CVC. Enter your email address. Select your country. Click the checkbox. Then pay.